What's up, everyone? This is Tywon with H2Hubb, and we're here to do an unboxing video for the Q-Life H2 Respire 150. And this is a portable H2 inhalation device, and it's passed all of our performance standards. And so we wanted to do an unboxing video for you guys to show you how it will come to your home. And so let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so the first thing to note is it comes in some nice packaging. This is the box itself. It's a pretty decent size portable H2 inhalation device. It produces pure H2, and on the back side of it, it kind of gives you some of the specs and almost kind of like a little quick start guide there, kind of tell you some of the key features of the system. And so that's the box itself. Here it actually gives you some more information about the product, and then on the side here, this is where I was mentioning the actual quick start guide. So it actually kind of explains how you can just get into it and open it up and start to breathe it, or start to use it, I should say, to breathe H2. So let's go ahead and crack it open. So it comes in a very nice little carrying case. It is meant to be a portable inhalation system, so you can take it as you travel. Want to go on vacation, get an Airbnb or something, right? So you can have your H2 with you, and it's actually comes with your user manual. So that's pretty standard. And then you have your quality control certification for it. So they tested it before you received it. And then we'll take these out first. So this is a connector tube. Is going to be a tube that you can use with the hydrogen water attachment that comes with the system. Then these are your nasal cannulas. They actually give you 3 of them, which is pretty awesome. Nasal cannulas, depending on how much you use them or how much you use the system, they can last anywhere from a month to 2 months. So you're looking at about 3 months to a half a year's worth of cannulas that they give you, which is awesome. And then we'll go ahead and take this out. This goes for the it's an inhalation attachment that goes to the actual cannula or to the device in the cannula. I'll show you that in the demonstration video. And I'll take the generator out itself. So this is the generator. Comes in a nice little cloth carrying bag that protects it. Ooh, almost slipped there. That's the generator. It's very nice little device, high quality, all metal. And then at the top, you got your O2 port. I mean, not your O2 port, the H2 port. They got a little display window in there too. And what else we have in here? Here's the strap for the bag itself. So this strap connects to the bag so you can carry it. You got your diffusion stone, or nano stick is what they call it. This allows you to produce hydrogen-rich water. And so you can take this system, you can connect your actual connector tube I talked about, and then you can bubble this. You can use this nano stick to bubble hydrogen-rich water, produce hydrogen-rich water wherever you go. So that's pretty cool. And this is the power supply. So that's the power supply for the system. This system actually produces about 150 milliliters per minute of pure H2, which is above our minimum performance standards for a portable inhalation device. And it tested well, and I'll demonstrate that in the actual test video. See if there's anything else in here. That is it. That is everything that comes with the system itself. In the next video, we're going to go ahead and do a demonstration video and actually show you how the product works, some of its functionality, show you how to actually bubble some hydrogen-rich water with the nano stick. It's pretty cool that they actually provide you a diffusion stone. Some of these systems that you can purchase on the market, you have to purchase your own diffusion stone, so it actually comes with the system. So that's pretty cool. Alrighty, so that's it for this unboxing video. We'll catch you next time at the H2Hubb.